Hey guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today, doing another part of preparing the car for paint. So now we have to remove all these chrome pieces and the mirrors, basically, from the body in order to get ready for paint. Basically, guys, good thing we got these things uncovered, because to get to the chrome pieces, to get to the clips, it's easier to get through the body panels from the inside. So yeah, time to do some fun work here. Well, guys, as you can see here, the front chrome pieces on the hood consist of several pieces, not just one piece. So they will take those taking off the next one. Kind of hard because everything is rusted out and getting stripped. Okay guys, so for the words, this is gonna help us out if there's holes in here though. But basically we're gonna use double-side tape to tape the lettering back on. But in order to take it off, because there's something blocking it, and we gotta remove the radiator to get it. But we're gonna grab a flathead, kind of open it up, then cut it through on each one and get it ready to go. Alright guys, so you might be wondering what all the swirl and X marks are and whatnot. That is for whoever's going to be doing the Bondo and paint work on the exterior, because we're only going to do the interior, but we're going to paint it the same. That is to help them out when they're going to do Bondo work, not to miss any little dents, because with a new paint color, there's going to be a lot of dents. So all the swirl marks you see is everything that it needs to be covered, you know, but this should work out. So guys, you can also tell that whoever did the paintwork before, this car was originally dusty blue, okay? Whoever did the paintwork before went around the whole trim, didn't do professional. So all this has to be sanded down, cut or buffed, and then repainted on the exterior. But we're only focusing on the interior. This is just me stripping off all the chrome, which I did, all the letters and everything. The only thing I'm not taking off is the chrome bumper. I mean, not the bumper, the chrome grille. He's going to do as good of a job as possible to paint around it. And also the headlights, this is easier to take off, so when it gets to the shop, he's going to take it off and just paint the way it's supposed to be painted. But yeah, this should once you get that all fixed, I mean, once we get it to the shop to get painted soon, I would say in about 3 days is going into the paint shop. About 3 to 5 days, because that's how I drove the car in, by the way, with the bucket. So basically, on the new vehicle, on the next upcoming video, we're gonna be taking off the doors and just sanding everything down and covering it in what do you call, in masking tape and stuff, just to get it ready for paint. And after that, we have to take it to the painter to paint on the exterior. But there's a whole lot of stuff to do that for us to take everything off. And guys, this is the paint that I just bought. So it's gonna be actually a rare color that nobody has ever done before. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.